In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can archive chats here on TikTok. This is chats, DMs, same thing, but before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up TikTok and go into your messages by hitting inbox just like so. I have a few different messages on here, but essentially what you're going to want to go ahead and do is find whatever chat it is that you want to archive. For example, this one right here, you'd go ahead and select the chat that you want to archive. And once you select the chat you want to archive, simply go ahead and instead of opening up the conversation, just long press on it and it's going to pull up with a page that looks like this. We need to go ahead and find the archive button on here. If you don't see it immediately, go ahead and hit other, and then of course you'll be able to move it to the other tab, which is the archive tab now. As you can see, it's no longer going to be on here. You have to go over to other in order to see it. But yeah, that really is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.